This is a recording for the FST project setup when using a CPX. Go to project and new, give it a name. We'll go with name 2 just to keep it simple and in line with what I've done previously. Press OK. This time we're looking to select the controller type as a FEC-CPX. From here you can change the comment if you so wish. I'm just going to put in project test. Press OK to show that it's created. The FST project window will display on the left hand side with each of your 3 main settings down the bottom that you need to alter first before really begin programming. Controller settings, go into that. Download tab, same as any other project we have, we're going to tick auto start after download. By ticking this, it will enable us to, which will avoid us having to go over to the PLC, powering it down, and the other one we want is download source files. This will enable us to extract the files from the PLC in the event anything may go wrong with the source content on the PC. So in case you lose your file on your laptop or desktop, if the files are stored within the PLC, you can extract them only if this option is ticked, and leave the bottom one as is. Press OK for that particular one. I/O configuration. This is the one that's slightly different, and to do this, ideally you need to be connected to the PLC, because what this has, and it has the ability to do, is to connect to a FEC-CPX automatically. What you need to do before having to do this is to make sure you're able to connect. So go to Extras and Preferences, change to the Communications tab, change to TCP/IP. Now, I don't have one connected at this particular time, but when you hit search, make sure you select it and press OK. At that point, you will be able to press the auto nominal comparison button, which is this particular one here, and it will automatically fill in what is connected to this particular PLC. At that point, you just need to make sure your input address and your output address are at the appropriate numbers, usually 0 and 0, and then 1 and 1, and making sure if there is any analog connections for either the input word or the output word, that they're not stored currently at 0 or 1, and you could put them at a nominal range of, for instance, 64. At that point you're able to close and save, and you can begin programming by going to right click Program, Statement List, press Enter or OK. You can begin to edit the comment as need be. I call this particular one Test. You can press OK here, and then you're ready to begin programming.